Hello friends, I am Bhuminathan, Honorary Director of the KingMakers IAS Academy. Congratulations to all of you, those who have cleared the Civil Service Examination 2019 Prelims. I know very well that you are all eagerly preparing for your mains and we want to help you. We are planning to offer free test batch and free crash course for those who have cleared the Prelims 2019. KingMakers IAS Academy Target Mains 2019 MSLP program, Main Strategic Learning Program, by toppers for toppers. There are many toppers who are going to help you to clear the Civil Service Examination 2019. I know very well that you have cleared your preliminary examinations, Civil Service Examination as well as Indian Forest Service Examinations. Now, you are all going to prepare for your mains exam.
Welcome to KingMakers IAS Academy, Chennai. Hi everybody. Congratulations to you. You have successfully cleared your Civil Service Examination 2019, the very prelims, along with Indian Forest Service Examination. And you got, there are 2 months left for your important step. Yes, that's main examinations. We KingMakers IAS Academy in Chennai, we have devised a program, the Main Strategic Learning Program, where we have completely waived off the fee so that you benefit out of it. This particular Main Strategic Learning Program, we call MSSP, and which has been designed in such a way that covers whole of your general studies, essay paper, including optional subject. And we have devised in such a way which covers, that around 20 tests. What is this program? What is the, the salient, otherwise, what are all the salient features on the part of this particular program, if you ask me? The meticulously designed questions set by the toppers come experts of KingMakers IAS Academy. All your answers likely to be evaluated by the toppers come experts. And there will be effective analysis over your answers by the very team of toppers and experts. The detailed feedback we are likely to offer you. And also that the model answers with key preparation by the toppers with all India ranking support. And we have got the option of supporting the working professionals. We have got online option too. Well, it's not knowing the stuff, knowing to deliver the stuff. That matters a lot. So the KingMakers IAS Academy as a team, we are going to support you. We are very eagerly waiting for that. As I said, the team of experts who have recently cleared. So including that the team is headed by the Rishab IAS, the Tamil Nadu topper, as well as the other experts, including Miss Chitraa, who has talked in the interview too. So they will be guiding you with other experts team with a detailed answers booklet and personal the explanation after the test program. Definitely from good to great that you can cross that level, and we'll be there to assist you.
This MSLP program is going to be guided by former IT Secretary Sri Vivek IFoS and our Tamil Nadu topper Mr. Rishab IAS and Vivek IFoS, All India topper in personality test Miss Chitraa, Vijetha Dhinakaran, who secured All India 587th rank, and Nithya Radhakrishnan, who secured 540th rank in 2019 results. My dear friends, all these toppers are going to put you in the right direction to help you, and we want to see you as a topper. That is why all these toppers are going to help you. By the toppers, for the toppers. All these toppers should emerge from the state of Tamil Nadu. This MSLP program, which is going to be conducted at KingMakers IAS Academy, it is going to be purely at free of cost. The program starts on coming Tuesday. Every Tuesday there will be a test followed by a discussion by Rishab, who is the topper of Tamil Nadu. Every Saturday and Sunday there will be a crash course. From morning 10 o'clock to up to 5 o'clock there will be a crash course. I request all those candidates who have cleared the preliminary examination 2019 to come and utilize this greatest opportunity, because we want to produce more results from Tamil Nadu and we want to help you. I hope you will utilize this. We will put you in the right direction with adequate motivation. We at KingMakers IAS Academy, along with the toppers, are going to put you in the right direction with adequate motivation, because the question papers are going to be set by the toppers, the papers are going to be evaluated by the toppers, The paper discussion is going to be done by the toppers, and the feedback is going to be given by the toppers. If you want to be the topper, join with the group of toppers. Here we at KingMakers IAS Academy are going to start our program coming Tuesday, that is on 15th July. Join at KingMakers IAS Academy by toppers for toppers program, that is MSLP, Main Strategic Learning Program, Target Mains 2019, Mission 440 plus in GS. My dear friends, wish you all the best. This year, from the state of Tamil Nadu, we have to produce minimum 100 results. I hope you will all cooperate, you will all utilize this opportunity. Along with your cooperation, along with the strategy of the toppers, this year, Tamil Nadu is going to be the #1 in the All India Civil Service examination. All the best.